Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tech tips and tricks to streamline your digital life. Today I'm going to show you how to justify text in Gmail. Justifying text can help make your emails look more polished and professional. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. Once you are in your inbox, click on Compose button to start a new email. Now you will see the email composition window. Type in the text that you want to justify. Unfortunately, Gmail's default formatting option do not include a justify button directly, but don't worry, I've got a workaround for you. Open a new tab and go to docs.google.com. Create a new docs document. In Google Docs, type or paste the text you want to justify. Highlight the text, then click on justify button. This will justify your text. Once your text is justified, highlight it again. Right click and then select copy. Now go back to your Gmail composition window. Right click in the body of the email and click on paste. And there you have it. Your text is now justified in your Gmail email. You can now continue to compose your email and send it as usual. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Justifying text in Gmail can make your emails look more professional and neatly aligned. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.